Okay, seventh graders, I tried to do this earlier and my video was too long, so I'm trying to make a condensed version. In our comp book, this is a interactive notebook that we will be working on all year. If you are a remote student and you don't have a way to print the pages, then you can just design these on a sheet of paper, write out what needs to be written, and glue them in yourself. Make your own. You can make little doors on a piece of paper and cut it out and glue it in. Today we set up our grading rubric, which you need to have a grading chart in the front. Okay, write it out on a sheet of paper and put it in there if you can. Your table of contents is just going to have your table of contents title on there. There should be one. Make it yourself if you can't. Today we just did measurement conversions and standard domains. If you're a second year student using your 6th grade ones, you may want to start your 7th grade table of contents on the second page. Then you need to color this. This needs to be colored the correct color. And the sheet in your on your paper has that. If you kept your book from last year, you don't have to change anything except for write a 7 over the 6. The first empty page you have in your book is going to be measurement conversions. The title heading needs to be red. And again, if you can't print it out because you're making it at home, just write this information on the top of your paper. Then you're going to have 3 little doors. You can make this on a blank sheet of paper if you want. Just do it neatly. Make it fit. The pages are in the downloads, the papers there. Okay? These are the problems that you're going to need to copy in there. So if you're watching this at home, you may want to stop the video right now, pause it, so you can write in. The first thing is, what do we know? And then we have an example here. The second thing is, what is a conversion? And we have an example. The third is, what is the problem asking for? And we have the third example. These are actually the written problems down below. So if you're doing this at home, pause the video so you can write this on a blank sheet of paper if you need to and fill that in. Okay, after you've paused it and come back, you need to color that, cut that out so it'll fold up like this. And then you need to write out the conversion. You can just write it on the sheet of paper down here if you want. Write it neatly, small on the paper, and you can just have them all there. So that's what we did in the 7th grade comp book. Okay. Again, this is what needs to be on the inside. The examples, go ahead and pause your video right now so you can copy these down and onto a sheet of paper and make them fit. If you're coming back to me, again, you're going to glue that in, you're going to color it, make it so it folds up. If you're working on your 6th grade book, this will probably be page 11. If you're new and you're starting a book this year, it's going to be page 2. You can always send me an email or call me. My prep runs from 12:05 to 1:35 on the A days. But if you try to call during that time, I might be available. So give me a call if you have questions of what you need to do. And all of those papers, all of these papers are going to be in that section there of stuff. The only thing you need to copy off the video will be those 3 example problems.